I think I've decided I'm going to just walk in the morning. It's in the afternoon in Sedona. I'm on Boynton Pass, and the Arcturians are here. I've learned some interesting things this week from the masters that I've been experimenting with the earth, thinking of the earth, the stones as like a fascial, and kind of with my both hands stepping into that space and feeling the energy. And I was told by an oracle a few weeks ago that I would get the clarity that I sought in nature. And I said it would actually be like removing the cobwebs. So anyway, I saw some cobwebs back, a little ways back, and there was a flat wall there to work with. So I did that, and I've been guided to bring a crystal, one of my crystals, a point. They knew I have a few, so they said they knew which one it would be. So it's I don't know if you can see that. It's really beautiful. Yeah, maybe it's better. So these are sort of record keepers when they start to go up on the sides and they look like cathedrals or castles. And then you'll find these little, like on the sides where there's like, it looks like it's been carved. You probably can't see that all that well, but you can feel it. And on some crystals, it's really evident. This really beautiful one, I don't know if you can fully see it. There you go. Yeah. But those little lines are information. And so they wanted me to share my energy here, which is kind of cool because they're sharing it with me. And so it's reciprocity, I guess. And it's also about remembering. So it was pretty amazing. I don't really understand some of the stuff that's been shared so far, but it feels right. And I'll share more of that at some point. I want to have more clarity. So anyway, so I'll take some videos of the canyon here on the walk and put them all together so you can get a good sense. I'm going to turn the camera around now, and I'm going to let you see some of this, okay? Okay, so I'm going to have to, looks like I'm going to have to stop the video. So I'll do that, and then I'll just start filming, and we'll see what happens. Hi, I'm headed out of the canyon now. Thought I'd show you a little bit. That up there. Maybe just kind of pan around a little bit. I still have a ways to go and I've got to feed the dog. So I walked way back into the canyon. I think I got almost to the end, but I think I'm going to come back. I was playing with the energy, with my hands, with the rock. The Arcturians are with me and they wanted to talk to you for a little bit, just another message. They want you to know, again, how loved and supported you are. And they also want you to know, my niece today sent me some information where she had some pictures because she had cleaned her new used car and she was so pleased with it. She's been driving it now for a few weeks, but this is the first time that she washed it and, you know, vacuumed it, and she just said how beautiful it is and how this cleaning of it, even though she was using it and enjoying it, just how much more beautiful and connected she felt to it. She even said it was a she. So the Arcturians are reminding me, they said to use that as an example of what's happening on the planet. You know, that we've been existing for a long time and they've been a part of supporting us. And now it's our time to kind of do a cleansing and resetting and sitting with the beauty of what we have within us and around us. And they felt like the reason that part of all of this is so upsetting is that we have forgotten our immortality and our eternalness, because this is just a really nice skin suit that we picked to hang out here and explore and create in. So let me pull this back, see if you can see more of the rock back there. So they want you to know that. And they know that you're going to feel that doesn't feel right just because the knowing is that you have a stronger need to belong than your eternalness or immortality. You're actually more okay with releasing the body than releasing the connections that you have to each other and to groups. And in some ways that's never going to change, but in some ways it is. Just be very open and move through the world in a very open, heart-centric place. See the divine in the people around you, but especially in yourself, because it's got to start, that sort of connection starts from within. Being in nature is really important. They're happy that I've made these videos of this canyon so that you'll be able to see more. And they're actually encouraging me to do kind of every time I come into nature setting, to do a video and to talk to them and get a message. And that's all they want to leave you with for now. It's like a cleansing that's happening. But again, you know, they asked me to describe it as my niece's car, you know, like she's been using it, she loves it, but now it's clean and it's beautiful and she's able to like take more ownership and more pride, I guess, or it's a deeper personal connection. So it's kind of a loose or rough way of saying that's kind of what's happening too. But the connection to the earth and to yourself. Yeah. They've been with us for hundreds of thousands of years. And it's kind of like they're giving us the keys. So be well. This will be a series, I guess, and so I'll be posting it that way. If you feel like inclined to share these videos, please do. And if you're new, you can subscribe and hit the little bell button, and you'll be notified when there's a future video. So it sounds like that's so far Arcturian energy, but who knows what else will come through. They were with me today on the hike in the beginning, and again, I've been playing with connecting into the rocks, and it's kind of funny because I've been watching Outlander and you know how she goes into the rock, and so there's great knowledge and power in connecting with the earth or the rock formations that way. So blessings and love. Take care. Be well.